Welcome to the Learn Technical Writing channel. A channel where I hope to share my knowledge and experience as a professional technical writer to help you learn technical writing and clarify some of your doubts. This series is especially useful for entry-level technical writers and technical writing aspirants. Here, we will discuss some of the FAQs about technical writing as a career. One of the most popular FAQs about technical writing are about technical writing certifications. As a beginner, you undoubtedly face several challenges in getting noticed by recruiters and potential clients. So, to stand out, you wonder if you need a technical writing certification. In this video, we will discuss the following questions. Are there any technical writing certifications? And do you need one? Starting with the first question. Are there technical writing certifications? Yes, several organizations such as STC and Technical Writer HQ offer certifications in technical writing. They also offer courses in technical writing for all levels, basic to advanced. And now to the more important question. Do you need a technical writing certification? No. You do not necessarily need to be certified as a technical writer to be taken seriously. What should I do then? I am a beginner? Start by learning the basics. If you prefer instructed learning, look for courses. In addition to STC and Technical Writer HQ, there are several courses in Fiverr Learn, Udemy, and Coursera that you can check out. Links are in the description below. Alternatively, you can also learn technical writing by yourself. To get started, learn the following topics. DDLC, or the Document Development Lifecycle. These are the stages or the phases that each document goes through from its inception to final delivery. DDLC is perhaps the most important concept in technical writing. As a beginner, you must understand the DDLC well. It is also a recruiter's favorite topic during job interviews. Then, learn about the different types of documents, such as user guides, troubleshooting guides, and configuration guides. You must understand when each document type is used, how it is unique, and how it interconnects with other document types. As a technical writer, they are your primary deliverables. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the Content Style Guide. Content Style Guides enable you to bring consistency across all your documents. There are several Content Style Guides available. For example, Google, Apple, and the Chicago Manual of Style. Pick one and practice writing with it. Some organizations follow their own style guides, but it will help if you are familiar with at least one of those. Google's Content Style Guide is my favorite. Once familiar with these concepts, learn the following types of tools. These are your primary tools in creating content. So the more comfortable you get with them in the beginning, the better your chances at becoming a technical writer, officially. The first tool type is content editing tools, also known as content authoring tools. Some popular examples are MS Word, Google Docs, and LibreOffice. You will use content authoring tools to create the bulk of your content, such as user guides. The next tool type to learn is image editing tools. You will use these tools to capture and edit screenshots. Screenshots are very important in showcasing product screens and procedures. Popular image editing tools are Snagit, MS Paint, and Snipping Tool. The tools mentioned here are paid, free, or free to use with a paid premium version. I would advise going with the free tools as a start, since the underlying functionality is the same even in paid tools. Check out the link titled Useful Resources in the description below for a list of recommended tools, paid and free alike. Whichever approach you take, remember to persevere. It might seem difficult initially, but with enough practice and time, you will be a successful professional technical writer. Please do let me know if you have any questions in the comments. You can also check out my website, subreddit, and CourseSpace for more helpful resources and articles. Links to them are in the description below. Here are a few articles in my blog that can help you as a beginner. Links are in the description below. That's all for this video. I hope I helped in answering your questions. If I did, Then please share this video with others so I can help more people. A sub would also be delightful. Keep watching this space for more videos. All the very best for your journey ahead. I will see you soon with more content.